Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kagam. Okay, so today we're gonna preview lots of Versace beauties. You guys, honestly, you guys always tell me like, oh, you're always talking about the same brands all the time. Like all luxury channels, we all talk about the same houses: Hermes, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Gucci. Yeah, I know. So I wanted to film this because I love this brand. I love Versace. You guys, you know how much I love the brand. I have an unboxing from Versace because I did buy these Medusa sunglasses. They're linked below, so you can go check out my unboxing if you want to go see what I got when I was in Paris in January. I bought those at the Versace Avenue Montaigne boutique. So I wanted to talk to you guys about Versace today because I feel like at the moment I'm really in the mood for a lot of palette cleansers. I want to be inspired by other labels and other brands. I want to just see different things like Hermes, Chanel, Louis Vuitton are great and everything, but I feel like there's so many exciting brands out there that are just as good as all of them, and maybe they're just not, maybe they just don't get as many views on YouTube, but they're fire and it's lit. And I feel like Versace is a great brand to look into right now because I feel like the neutral trend, we're starting to see the tail end of the neutral trend. Even when I log into Pinterest is like a good barometer. I know it's like based on the things that you search on, but even with neutrals, people are getting back into colors right now. People are getting back into prints right now. People are looking for texture. Things are changing, which is great. So I wanted to show you guys like some really great things that you can get from Versace that are new, and also in a few weeks I'll be going to Johannesburg for a trip. I'm super excited about that, and of course Versace have a boutique in Johannesburg. So for this everyday in May, you're going to be seeing a lot of preview videos from me from houses that have boutiques in South Africa, because obviously I'm heading there. So I'm much more excited right now to talk about the Italian houses. So Versace, they have a boutique in Johannesburg. Bulgari have a boutique in Johannesburg. Gucci have a boutique in Johannesburg. Ferragamo, Zegna. You see where I'm going with this. So I wanted to show you guys just some really beautiful things that I've been loving. Now, my Medusa sunglasses, I'm not wearing them that much. They are not comfortable. However, I do feel like they look great for pictures. They look really nice when I'm chilling by the pool here at home. So I'm not giving up on Versace sunglasses yet. I feel like those ones just didn't work out, but it doesn't mean that there aren't some other great scores to find. So I wanted to show you guys some really cool things that I saw on the website, because obviously I'm really excited about my trip, and you guys will know about my trip once I get there. I'm very superstitious about trips. If you remember my Paris trip, I like literally filmed the video and uploaded it when I filmed the video before, but uploaded it when I safely arrived to Paris. Like, I'm weird about like traveling, so when I'm there I will literally be like, hey guys, I'm here. But I'm planning my trip and it's coming up soon. So I wanted to show you these beautiful summery Medusas. Okay, let's talk about the Medusa bag. So I feel like the Medusa bag in some ways is actually the perfect bag in some ways. I think aesthetically it's beautiful. Honey, you can't play with this bag. This bag is beautiful. It's really, really, really pretty. It looks great in real life. The problem is that chain. So when I was there in January, I was looking at the Medusas when I was milling about the boutique on Avenue Montaigne, and it's true, the bag itself is actually perfect. I think it's actually the perfect handbag, to be honest. But the chain link really ruins it. Well, it's not even a chain link, it's like plastic. Because I feel like if it was real metal, it would be fine. Now, I feel like a big Versace honey, I feel like she knows that people don't like that. And I think that they have made some changes. And I remember when I filmed my Versace unboxing and I had talked about it, and even in my Facebook group, which is linked below, you can join, I was telling some of you guys like, oh my god, the bag is actually perfect, I just don't like that plastic looking chain. One of you reached out to me privately and you told me that the chain is detachable and you can just detach it and then just add your own chain. I actually think it's basically perfect. So this yellow beauty right here, love, love, love. I think this is perfect for summer. This is just going to be so great for those like beach holidays, tropical holidays. This yellow bag would go so great with the color palette here in Tanzania. I can imagine like women here wearing this yellow bag on Cocoa Beach, which is one of the most famous beaches in Dar es Salaam. This is so pretty. I love it. I love the way that it's like it's like an ultra matte Medusa. I love that. So it kind of sinks into the leather. Beautiful. This is the medium size. It's 2,150 euros. I wanted to show you this one because I think that this is the one that I'm considering as well. I'm thinking about this, but again, I need to see it in person. Again, the chain link is detachable apparently. This is super pretty. Obviously, it's pink. Obviously, I'm obsessed with it. Really pretty. It's a small one. I think this is so cute. All of the Versace Medusa bags, by the way, they are leather. When I was doing like my research basically for this video, I learned that Versace actually even have their own like coated canvas. So actually they have their own canvas, and that one has the Greco monogram, so we'll talk about that later. I love this bag. I think it's really cute. This is so beautiful. It comes in tons of colors. It comes in like a dark green, it comes in a light green, it comes in this beautiful lilac, which I think is so on trend for this year. People really love this lilac. I think this was actually on the catwalk show. This bag is really cute. That price is great. You know, you can't beat that price point. It's a great price point as well. And it is made from, what does it say here? It's made from, yeah, obviously leather, and it's leather lined. Let's talk about this, because let me tell you something. A lot of bags, whenever I'm reading about them and stuff, like a lot of bags are not leather lined. This one is leather lined. That to me is important. I love this. And it says here, Versace's latest handbag is adorned with a Medusa plaque, the same decor that was discovered on the doors of the brand's first headquarters in Milan. Love it. So that was like the whole thing of the Medusa, was that Gianni and Donatella Versace saw it on the door, and then they used it as their insignia. I was speaking to someone who I respect, someone who knows me personally, who really loves like Italian luxury brands, but had a question about the Medusa, and they were asking me, please don't make fun of this person because this person means a lot to me. And she was asking me like, what does that symbol mean? Is it like a religious symbol? Is it spiritual? I'm like, no. So I was explaining to her like what the Medusa is. Obviously we all know who Medusa was. If you looked at her, you turn into stone. I think that Versace know that they need to have a lot of motifs. Obviously I love the Medusa, honey. I will never get tired of looking at it. I will never get tired of looking at it. Okay, see what I did there? But I think that they know they need to have lots of different options. I think that's why they have like the Versace, which by the way, I used to hate that, but now I love it. And they also have the, what's it called? The new Greco monogram, which I'm also growing to love. So I feel like they're making some really great changes that people are loving. So yeah. Okay, so because I knew I was doing a Versace video, I'm actually wearing my Biggie t-shirt with Notorious B.I.G. on it. Oh, you can't see below here, but so obviously Notorious B.I.G. a long time ago, he would wear Versace in his videos, and they actually made those sunglasses. They named those sunglasses that he wore in one of his older videos like after him. It seems that they're kind of going with this Biggie theme because they have a lot of products with the Biggie name, obviously referring to him. So I wanted to show you just some of the things that I have been loving. I need to see these earrings in person. I love these. These are called the Medusa Biggie earrings. They look like big coins. I'm kind of into that right now. Honestly, these look quite big. I think that they're like a smaller version of them as well, but these are super cute. These are 450 euros. Well, they were 450 euros. When I looked previously, they might be more than that right now. But I remember thinking that these were so cute and loving them. And I think that they're beautiful like statement earrings, but they're not too overpowering. There's some of you who might be like, okay, well, I don't want to wear like a lot of prints or the Barocco prints from Versace. They might be a bit too much for you. I feel like their fashion jewelry is a great way to just have that like Versace statement without going too crazy and without it being too much. It's not overpowering or overwhelming. They're big, but I mean, when I'm looking at them here, like perhaps on my ear, I don't even feel like they'd necessarily be that big. I think they're so cute, so beautiful. Love them. I also wanted to show you this Biggie Medusa pouch. Now, this Biggie Medusa pouch is actually from the men's section of the business. I love this. It comes in black and it's like transparent. It also comes in this beautiful pink one as well. Does anyone remember a few years ago when Big C did, I think they called it the Cocoa Splash collection, where they had like those, I think those bags were called the Cocoa Splash bags. They were like transparent. They're obviously plastic, but they were like, you know, transparent. I was thinking that these ones actually reminded me, these like Biggie Medusa pouches reminded me of those Cocoa Splash bags. Those bags, by the way, like when you see them on the resale market, they go for a lot of money. Like people are like really trying to get them and are desperately trying to find them. So I just thought that those ones were super cute. I just wanted to show you because I don't know, I just feel like I feel like Versace earrings, even their sunglasses, it's like a great way of having that statement. A lot of you have told me that you're into neutrals, you don't like colors, you don't like prints. So these are the sunglasses I'm looking to get next. When I go to the Versace boutique in Johannesburg, I'm going to look for them. They're called the Medusa Chic sunglasses. They come in this beautiful pale pink colorway. They were 190 euros, they're now 205 euros. That is not a big deal. I just wanted to show them to you. There are also these really cute enamel Medusa round sunglasses. I'm thinking these ones will be better for me because I'm also used to sunglasses having like a thinner, this part here that you hook onto your ear. I'm used to them normally being quite thin, and maybe those Medusa shades that I had, it was quite thick, so maybe it was just applying pressure to my like head. I think that's what was happening because they're not comfortable. They were not comfortable, but I think that these ones look much more comfortable. I love the look of these enamel ones as well. They're circular. Now normally I stay away from like circular sunglasses, but I do think that these ones are super cute, so I just wanted to let you know about them. Let me keep showing you all the beauties from Versace that you can get this year. You know, when you think of SLGs, you tend to think of like Louis Vuitton canvas pieces, right? Well, they actually have some beautiful leather SLGs, which I think are super cute. They've got this one right here. It's a card holder. It comes in a wide range of colors. Comes in this beautiful pale pink, this beautiful lemon yellow, red. It's like a lipstick red. Yeah, just lots of colors. It's 375 euros now. There's also this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous So Black Medusa card holder. Their So Black Medusa products are a vibe. If you're into like the So Black motif, I feel like you would love their like So Black bits. I've seen a few of them like on the website when I was just like looking at the website and looking for different things for my trip, obviously. This one is really, really, really nice as well. They also have some wallets that I just wanted to quickly show you. I really like this one right here. This is pink, obviously. It's 560 euros. It's called La Medusa Continental Wallet. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I just had to show you guys that one as well. They have these, their version of a wok, which they call the envelope pouch. It does have a chain. It's like a wok basically as well. So you can go check that one out. I also really like this one right here, which is, also they also have another one called the Medusa long wallet as well, which is also like a wok as well. I don't like woks, but I know that they have a market because I think a lot of people like the price point, and I totally understand. I just don't like the way they look like on me. I don't like the way they look like on me, but on other people they look really good. There's also this really cute La Medusa key ring pouch. Now this one is interesting because like I was looking at the listing here on the website. It looks like you could also use it as a coin purse, figuratively speaking. I'm actually looking for a coin purse, so I was looking at there's this round pouch as well, which I'm sure has gone up in price. It came in these really beautiful summery colors like lilac and green, really, really pretty. But annoyingly, it has this chain, and then you like wear it on your neck. I don't understand things like that, so I would probably just take that chain off and just use it as like a coin purse. I thought it was really pretty. There's also this like Greca monogram like pouch, which you could figuratively use also as a coin purse. That one is made from Versace's canvas, which is like a coated canvas basically as well. I didn't even know that they did that. They also had like a python piece, which I don't know if I can find on the website now because I was looking at a lot of them on my phone. So yeah, there are lots of beautiful things to get from Versace. There's some stunning pieces that you can also go get from the home section. Versace have a lot of products in that new Greca monogram, which I think is something that the house has been working on. I remember reading an article in this like fashion business website. It was just about fashion. It was this like obscure website, and they had someone from Capri who Capri is the holding company that owns Versace at the moment, because the family did sell their shares basically to this holding company, but Donatella Versace still has creative control of the brand. And there was like an executive, and this was like a year ago, saying that basically like Donatella Versace and her team are working on like new motifs and visuals basically for the brand, and it's not just, they're not just going to be relying on the archive and like the vintage Barocco stuff. And I do feel like we've seen a massive change in the aesthetics of the brand. I'm a Versace girl. I love this brand, and I think it's just such a great brand. I think when a founder of any company or any brand passes away, there's definitely that worry like, oh my god, will the brand still be relevant and things like that. I think that the brand is very relevant and still has all these great moments and things. Does anyone remember a few years ago when they had that jungle print? That was really hot as well. And obviously these shoes are hot. People are loving these shoes. They're all over Instagram. I'm loving everything that the brand is doing right now. I purposefully didn't talk about Fendace because I feel like I talked about Fendace previously, and if you remember my Facebook group, I'd already posted a lot about Fendace, so I don't want to get bogged down in the Fendi by Versace part, because that's stuff that we've already discussed on this channel, because I've already filmed a video about it and stuff. But of course, if you're getting anything, I don't know what's wrong with me today, I can't speak. If you're getting anything from the Fendi by Versace portion of Fendace, please let me know. I'd love to know what you think of some of the things that I picked out. I just wanted to remind you, seriously, they're so black. Products are absolutely fire. Like an ultra matte Medusa, so black, that is a vibe and a mood. So if you like those whole like so black things, if you're into that and you like neutrals, definitely give them a chance. Like there's still things that you can go and check out when it pertains to Versace and their whole so black thing. They do also have neutrals. Not everything, of course, colors and prints are their thing, but I just feel like I don't want those of you who are much more like into neutrals to miss out. I feel like there's some great pieces that you can get. I'm also loving a lot of the things I've seen from the menswear portion of the business, like lots of great things. They also have a diffusion line called Versace Jeans Couture. There's some really cute pieces in that as well. And I feel like a lot of the times when brands have like diffusion lines, they don't really respect them. They kind of treat them like they don't matter. I like Versace Jeans Couture on the website. It really is like part of the website and is part of Versace as well, so you can go check that out. Love to know what you think of all of the things that I picked out. I'm loving everything that they're doing. I'm very much a Versace girl. Like I'm a Versace girl. I just love everything that they do, and I love the brand. I love the colors. Oh my gosh, their approach to color is amazing. I really hope that you liked this video. I hope you'd consider fully subscribing, hitting notifications. Would you like to hear more about Versace, Gucci, Bulgari, Fendi? Would you like to hear my views on them, or for me to preview collections from those brands? Would you like to see more of the Italian luxury brands featured on this channel? Please let me know. The most important thing is you watching this video. If you watch this video, then it means that I'm getting support for that, which is important. So make sure you like the video, join the Facebook group. It is so much fun. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and all of my socials. I'd love to know what you guys think. I'm so excited for my trip to South Africa. I can't wait to see the Versace boutique in Johannesburg and see what kind of stock that they have there. I heard that they will get the Fendace collection. I heard it's going to be received by them. I don't think the Versace by Fendi will be received by them, but I heard the Fendi by Versace will be received. So super curious to know what happens with that as well. Obviously the collection is launching next week, but being that this is the boutique in Johannesburg, and it's the only Versace, it is, to my knowledge, it's the only Versace boutique on the African continent. I'm sure that they will, make sure that they pick a lot of things, because I'm sure that the demand will be there for them as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.